Okay, Owl, you have shown a lack of trust here. Let's go ahead and run your netstat. I've even made my font smaller so that we can see all of it. I'll zoom in on the video so that we can see this a little better, and I will start my netstat. And there it is running. And here's my script. And here it is running. And we'll go ahead, we'll look at netstat over here. Let's go back, make sure that things are really working. Okay, looking at netstat. And let's make sure that this works okay. And it's going through. We have netstat. It's still scrolling off the top because I have so many connections, but whatever, we'll just live with that. And let's see, we're almost done. Almost there. And let's see. Workflow completed. And we'll come in here 32.612 seconds. And that is 61 items. Now, I'm not going to do the math right now. Well, maybe I can. Let's go ahead and do the, I'm not going to do the math now. Because if I go to do a search, it might show things on my computer I don't want to see, and I'm not redoing this, but there we go, 32.612 seconds. And if we open these up, by the way, I put the exact time. Oh, let's go ahead, and I didn't have my time showing there. It's 1:02 in the morning, and I'm doing this for you. This is showing the exact time and date, 1:01:19, 1:01:35. So I've the exact, I added so that it will show the hour, the minute, and the second there for you even. And I will go ahead and do this, and we can go ahead, and it's the same files. There it is. I told you I'd take a look at that script, so let's go ahead. And one of the nice things about this, I'm going to go ahead and scroll this down, and I can look at results. Well, results are just the URLs I fed it. When I said I wasn't going to hard code, I didn't know that we could add page 2, page 3. Now I'm going to go ahead and run this Apple script, and it is just going ahead getting information that it's sending to the clipboard. It's getting the information of all those URLs. And my goodness, there's a lot there. This is the exact code of the sites just combined. Exact code combined. And I save that to a new text file, and I call it .html. And the new text file thing, it pissed me off when it did this, but it doesn't save it as .html, it saves it as .html.text. So here I have a shell script. Let's go show the results to that. It's just the file. Okay, fine. Hey, it doesn't show the icon. It should. Whatever. Oh, because the file's been changed. The file no longer exists. And the results here I don't think are going to show anything. And then get specific finder item. I then open up that file. I don't think there's going to be much to the result. It just shows, okay, there's that HTML file that I've created. Get link URLs from web pages. I did not hard code this, but it's doing it right here. File, recipes, whatever. Oh, there's that one right there, which is blank. Wonder if that causes any problems. I don't know, but there we go. And oh, it's only going to show that's no problem because the only ones we really care about, and it's saying file because of course it's a local file, and that's where it has that internal source. Did I add that manually like you said? Like you accused me of? No. No, of course I didn't. You made that up because you don't understand what's going on. That's the get link URLs because that's the way it works. In fact, well, I'll show you that in a minute. I'll show you how the get link URLs work. And if we go here, filter URLs, only the ones that say recipe. So that gets rid of a lot of those URLs. I now only have the ones, oh no, just resizing that made those go away. Well, we saw it for a second. Hopefully these ones don't lose their results. Yeah, it lost its results. Yeah. Well, anyway, you saw what you needed to there. Yeah, all the results are gone. If I go to allrecipes.com, let's go to open URL. Now I want you to notice something when it loads. If I mouse over to this, what does it say on the bottom? Allrecipes.com recipes, and then it has that internal source. It's right there. It's right from the page. I didn't have to hard code that. I didn't have to know it existed beforehand. That's just you not knowing what you're doing. That's just you not understanding that it's right there. If I go to this one, same thing. If I go to this one, same thing. So your claim that I had to do that is simply not true. And come on, why would I cheat? You just keep accusing me of these things, and of course I'm not. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and quickly end this recording, and that's just this right here, and I'll say stop recording. It's already 5 minutes of recording, and then I'll upload this because you just have huge trust issues or something. I don't know what your problem is. Remember, you're the one who, oh, I won't show my code because it's proprietary at first. But now you have, I mean, you know that I'm not cheating. You knew that all along. You're just trying to make excuses. So let's go ahead, hit stop record.